Imagine you're driving home from work. It's enjoyable and pleasing. Everything seems perfect until a careless driver gets too close and frustrates you. Now, it's dangerous. Tailgating is a huge common cause of rear-end crashes and road rage. Clear communication is crucial to avoid such incidents. Introducing RoadSage, the first smart display that prevents rear-end collisions by alerting tailgaters autonomously. With built-in rear camera, RoadSage is designed to provide you a rear-safe driving space. RoadSage goes under the rear windshield of your car and can display text, emojis, and other graphic formats. It comes with a voice-assisted mobile app and a wireless road mode. RoadSage's companion app is fully voice-activated and works with Siri and Google Assistant, letting you drive with both hands on the wheel. It has hundreds of pre-typed messages that you can display with a single voice command. Road Mode is a wireless remote that has made communication with other drivers even easier. It has 4 buttons for most frequently used commands, like I'm sorry or thank you. RoadSage's inbuilt 5-megapixel cam doubles down as a backup camera, proactively detecting potential accidents and highlighting the footage in your app for easy access. RoadSage is designed to be autonomous using advanced image processing and AI algorithms. It's visible from up to 25 meters in most weather conditions and doesn't cause any rear-view obstruction once installed correctly. RoadSage is easy to install and works right out of the box. Reserve your RoadSage today.